Hi friends, my name is Achut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve another problem. So let us write the problem statement. So user need to print the multiples 3 and 5 until n. So which means, for example, if we consider 24, so you have to print multiples of 3 and 5 up to 24. You have to print. So the first one should be 3. So you have to print the multiples of 3 and 5. So we have to print the multiples of 5 and 3. So, so let us take 15. So instead of taking 24, let us take 15. So 15 is divisible by both 3 and 5. Right? So I'm taking 15. So after that, 5 3 is a 15. And after that, 3, 5, 9, 12, 15. So 3, 5, 9, 12, 15. So these are the multiples of 3 and 5 until 15. So I hope you understand. So I hope you understand the problem statement. So let us write the code. So as we know, if you want to use scanner class, we have to write the import java.util.start. And after that, we will write the scanner as c is equal to new scanner system.in. So int n is equal to sc dot next int. So and after that, we have to traverse. It should start from 3 because the multiples of 3 and 5 and the least number 3 is starting from 3. So that's why I'm writing 3 here. And should be traverse up to and I plus plus. So I hope you understand why I'm writing I is equal to 3 because 3 is the least number. So least divisible number, like the multiples of 3. So I'm writing 3. It should start from 3 and it should traverse up to 15 means n value. And here we will write the condition. So what is the condition? If I mod 3 is equal to 0, then you have to print the multiples of 3 and you have to print the multiples of 5 also. So what is this thing? It is a OR symbol. So as we discussed earlier, this is the OR symbol. So what will check? So it will check if I mod 3 is equal to 0. So then that condition will be also executed and I mod 5 is equal to 0. So then this condition also executed. Like if that condition is passed, that 3 multiples will be printed. And if this condition passed, like it's a OR condition, right? So whether in this both the condition in which both the conditions, if you one condition is passed, then this condition will be executed. So I hope you understand. So OR symbol means if this condition passed, this statement will be executed, and if this condition passed, this statement will be executed. But in the case of end symbol, so both these conditions should be true. Both these conditions should be true. Then only the statement will be executed. But in the case of or symbol, means in this at least one condition passed, the statement will be executed. I hope you understand. So let I'm printing the I. I print instead of println, I'm using only print. So what I did, so I just have traversed from 3 to n, and I'm checking if three multiples are there. This condition will be checked if the three multiples are there or not. If it is there, print it. And if there is five multiples in that 3 to n, if it is there, print the five multiples. I'm telling that. That's it. So I'm giving 15. See here, 3, 5, 6, 9. So I have forgot to write 6, 6, 9, and 10. So 10 is also multiples of 5, 12, and 15. So if you give some space, you'll get the space between each number. It's 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 12, 15. So I hope you understood. So how to write the multiples of 3 and multiples of 5 using OR condition. So that's it, friends. If you find this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please ring the bell icon. So then only you will get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.